y'all, happy new year. If you're like me, you're still trying to figure out, okay, what's my vision? What do I want to do moving forward? 2020 has opened my eyes to so many things. What now? Okay, so because of that, I was like, let me show people how to do a visual, or a virtual, should I say, vision board in 5 easy, let me use one hand, to about 5 easy steps. That's 10, child. 5 easy steps on how to create a virtual vision board. And this is why you should, even if you have a tangible one. I have 2 physical vision boards. That's because I like to cut and paste and do arts and crafts. I'm a child. This is why it's important to do a virtual one, because you get to have it with you always. Whatever it is that you need to be reminded of 24/7, child, that's what we're gonna do. So come on, we ain't gonna waste no more time, child. Grab a seat or grab your computer so we can go and get this thing together, okay? Come on. Come on. The first thing I'm gonna type in is, let's see. Let's just use some of the tags I already have. So I put, since I am a black woman, I put black woman in fitness, okay? Boom. Hey y'all, look, she already getting it. Work, girl, work. Look, come on, sis, come on. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, you're gonna click on the picture or right click, save image as. Now, if you see here, for me, again, since I have a Mac, this is what comes up, downloads. I want you to click on desktop, okay? We do not have time to be going through downloads to figure out what pictures we saved. It takes too much time. But if you save it to your desktop, boom, it's right there. You already know what you saved. Okay, so we saved that. And let's see. Let's grab one more. Who else killing it? Okay, boom. Now let's go cars. What kind of car do I want? Let's just type luxury, because I'm living my best life. Okay, period. Period. Boom, luxury cars for women. Okay, come on, G-Wagon. Ooh. So you just scroll. And remember to keep in mind too, y'all, like, don't just pick anything. Pick what pops out to you. And I know sometimes for some people, everybody's not like this, but when you see something, a thought in your mind will probably be like, how you gonna get that? Don't listen to that hating thought. You gonna get it, period. So I like this BMW right here, so I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, boom. So we got fitness, we got car. Now let's put love. So I'm gonna put black love because that's what I want. But whoever you are, whatever kind of love you want, child, that's what you type in, okay? This is so beautiful. Okay, let me focus. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this picture because it's so beautiful, because I'm a singer and a songwriter. And listen, now y'all, I'm rushing through this because I'm just showing y'all the 5 simple steps. But listen, go ahead and take your time on creating this, because listen, this is your vision. This is what's coming to you. This is what you're working for, okay? So don't rush. So next we're gonna go to Canva. So we're gonna go to create a design, okay? You can scroll down whatever size you want. You could pick whatever size you want. If you want it to be for an Instagram post, so on and so on. It starts with an empty slate, as you guys can see. But this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to cut my screen in half so that I can drag and drop my pictures. Now you can drag and drop them directly onto the white paper, or you can drag and drop it to upload to your file. So now we're just going to randomly resize. Like, there is no magic to this. It's literally whatever size you want, because this is the collage here now. So if you have a picture that you want to be on top, like I want this check to be, all you have to do is go to position and click to front, and boom, there it is. You can also crop these pictures individually. Like if you don't want this blue, you just want the check part, you can definitely crop that. Yeah, let's do that, because I wasn't going to, but let's go and get that out, y'all. Okay, and then we go up here and click done. Boom, get that check. Okay, now let's get to adding words. What kind of words do we want to put on here? You can literally put the words you looked up. So I put black love. So what I'm gonna do is go to text here on the side. I'm going to type in, well, I'm gonna click glow because that's the effect I want. And then I'm gonna type in black love. We're going to download, okay? After that, just click download, boom. Prepare your design, boom. Okay, so it brings up a separate window and I'm able to click here and rename it. I'm going to name it Virtual Vision. And again, I'm going to save it to my desktop because I want to see everything. I don't want to fish through my downloads. So, boom. Okay. Once I click out of that, it's right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to File and Share. And again, because I have a MacBook and an iPhone, I'm going to go ahead and airdrop it to myself. But if you have a regular computer, just save it and send it to your email and go to your email. And from your email, you can save it to your phone or save it to your iPad. I'm not sure how Android devices work. No shade to Android users. I'm just not sure, y'all. So for me, I'm going to send it to my iPad. So boom, airdrop. Looking for myself. Send it to my iPad and send it to my iPhone.